Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Hale. For your Unit 1 video assignment, I am going to preview your Unit 1 project. So your Unit 1 project is a simulation where basically it's called the States of Matter simulation. So you are going to explore how molecules move in the different states of matter. So you can see that when you open the project, you'll have your lab document, but then you'll also have that link to that simulation. So here's your lab document. What you're going to do is you're going to use this simulation and you're going to follow the instructions to fill out this lab document. So in order to get into the simulation, just go ahead and click here. You'll be given two choices, states or phases. And right now we're talking about states. So you're going to click on that. And you can see over here that you can pick different types of atoms and molecules if you want to do that. And then you can also choose the different states of these molecules. So if I click neon, here's the solid state of neon, here's the liquid state, and here is the gas state. Same thing for argon. And so you are going to be exploring how states of matter change when you change temperature. So the way that you do that is you can change the temperature by adding heat, but you can also change the temperature by subtracting heat. And so what you're going to be doing is you're going to be exploring the behavior of these molecules as you change the heat. So you're going to see how they change through the different states of matter. So for your video assignment, you have three questions. In which state of matter are molecules closest? How are they moving in a liquid phase, and how are they moving in a gas phase? So after you go through this, it's very easy to tell the difference between a solid and a liquid and a gas because you can see how the molecules move. So we're starting here with argon, which is a solid, and it doesn't matter which solid. I can start with water, I can start with oxygen, but you can see that the molecules in a solid state are very close together and they're barely vibrating. So you can see that. As it goes into a liquid state, you can start to see that molecules start to move apart and they're moving faster. So as energy is gained, the molecules are going to gain kinetic energy and they're going to move faster. And then of course, in a gas phase, they're extremely spread apart and they're moving a lot faster. And so you're going to explore this as you move throughout the sim. So you can see that we change something that is in a solid state into a liquid and into a gas by adding heat, right? So it goes from a solid to a liquid to a gas. That's something that we see every day in real life, like when we boil water or we melt an ice cube. But then we also see the opposite. What if we want ice? Well, then we put our water in the freezer. So we're removing heat from the water, and that's the other thing that you should be able to do with this. So I hope you had fun with this simulation. If you have any other questions about it, let me know. Thanks.